Hello everyone, welcome to a wonderful vlog on theme park life, where we're still not at theme parks but we're at home because of those lockdown woes. Today, in this video, you're going to be seeing me making a banana bread, so I'm actually going to start making that. In fact, the oven can go on to make the bananas a bit brown. So yeah, by the way, hack guys, so we have got fairly brown bananas, but they could be much browner. I mean, if you look on the inside, it's not even bad. It's really not even bad. So yeah, they could be browner. So if you cook them in the oven for like 10 minutes or so, they go all golden and toasty and whatnot. So much better. So I'm going to check the recipe for that in a minute. Yeah. Another interesting thing I'll be doing in this video is, well, Buttervision. Well, you see there's quite a lot of Lego just there. It's still Buttervision. Quite a lot of Lego just there because, guys, I have been... Don't ask about that. I won't. Ask me no questions. I'll tell you no lies. If you ask a comment about what this is in the comments, or you say, oh, I think it's whatever, then, you know, that's gossip. I encourage it, but look, listen, I'll reply to each one, whether you're right or wrong. Competition, no prize. Competition, what is that? No prize, no prize. Anyway, I've been rearranging my room. So, yeah, whoops. Stepping into it now. We've got the lovely Avengers donut that I won.
Yes? One more.
Oh, mate, I'm not good at ball game. Yes! Get in! That was when I won that at Legoland back in 2019. Got a big Lloyd poster there, and then yeah, this is sort of the, well, I mean, I'm working on everything. I'm literally doing the whole thing, but I have sorted most of this bottom area out. Basically, most of the bottom is video games, so I've got like DS games and whatnot. Then I've got a load of graphic novels. If I move that Iron Man, don't know if I showed that yet. Actually, I think a few weeks ago I showed the like the fact that I was making it, but I don't think I ever showed it finished. Well, there it is. Anyway, video games and graphic novels, and then this is all going to be none of this is done yet. None of this display bit. That I'm pretty much settled on. That I'm settled on. This is like an X-Men section with some Sentinels and the Blackbird that I made. Then we got like this fun fairy area, which is pretty cool. And then over here is like a little high street sort of section, where there's a superhero battle taking place with like Miles Morales and whatnot. You see Miles Morales in there, pretty cool. Well, he's not in focus, so there we go. Miles Morales, pretty cool. That's my new modular there, the corner garage. So yeah, that's a little high streety area, which then leads into both the Avengers Tower, which is actually, well, that bit there is an official Lego set. And then I made the rest of it to fit in with the Lego set to give it some height, obviously, because I mean that's ridiculous for a skyscraper, isn't it? And then you can see Iron Man's. Should we zoom in on Iron Man?
Tony Stark. Yeah, so like just zooming in as much as possible, really.
So as you can see, he is flying atop the Avengers Tower, and then next to that you can see my Oscorp. So if you know anything about Spider-Man, you know that Oscorp is like the headquarters or the office building for Norman Osborn, Green Goblin. Actually, I really need to get a Green Goblin flying off the side of it, really. Where did I... Oh, he's literally probably in there. Yeah, he's probably inside there. Anyway, it's not quite finished. I haven't decked out the whole thing. Haven't finished the top. I need more window panels. But it's because it's nearly there, I've put it up anyway. And then, as you can see, we've got the heli carrier there. And then coming down to the window display here, I'm moving around the window display. I've already moved around quite a lot. Like, I've put my bridge back up, which is like the Spider-Man bridge set, which I got double of. I got Iron Man's helmet now in the window. And then my really cool Marvel collection, which minifigure collection. I'm actually going to move. I'm going to move this upstairs, I think, because I'm starting to get a little bit worried about sun damage. Like, some of these things are sun damaged, not much actually, not as much as you'd expect, but the main sun damage is this set here. You can just about see the difference between these sections, and I don't know why. Maybe it's the shading or the way the sun comes in, but this portion of white here is not sun damaged, whereas this portion of white here is sun damaged. You can see it's slightly more yellow. So quite interesting how the sun, if I were to show you out the window, I don't want to show you where I live really, but there's like a clear direct path for the sunlight, and it must sort of swoop in and hit up here, because that's always been quite high up there in a similar position to where it is now. But what I actually did was I don't know if you remember from previous videos, but all of these tables were there and this was there, and it meant that there was a big hole in that corner, which now there's a smaller hole in this corner which I filled with storage. And it means also the primary benefit is that I've got so much more room here. I've gained a good several inches of depth here, which makes the whole thing feel a lot less cramped. I'm also trying to throw away a bit of stuff, and yeah. Anyway, that's the update there. I'm gonna crack on with the banana bread, and then check in with you in a bit. Oh, look at this! I've started making the banana bread. The bananas are now baked. That's what they look like. Yeah, I need to put them in soon actually. I might film putting them in because it looks weird. They look weird. They they flop out. It's kind of gross. But yeah, I'll show you that in a minute. Right, hopefully this works and you'll be able to see it. Here we go. Nice. Oh yes, look at that. By the way guys, it smells amazing. I know it looks really horrendous, but it smells amazing. Right, anyway, I'm going to get the others in there. So guys, some updates. The banana bread is in the oven now. Didn't actually show you it really yet, but obviously I'll show you when it's cooked. I'm just going to do the washing up in a minute. But yeah, I just received this from McVitie's, which is pretty cool. So I obviously didn't pay for this. So thanks to McVitie's for sending this out. Nice little sort of box for the fully coated thing with some nice drawers. And yeah, add this gold tray in, look. So now it is perfect reflection basically. Look, so look, I can put it next to the other photo of me and do the same face. But yeah, look, like there's me. That's what I'm look like. I don't actually know if I've shown myself in this video yet, so that look, there I am. That is me, although my chin isn't quite that big. But yeah, that's cool, isn't it? Pretty good. Yeah, one of the perks of the hard work that we put into the channel. So yeah, cool. All right, I'm gonna get on with a few bits and I'll check in a minute. So wow, look at that. The banana bread is quite clearly out of the oven. Give you a particularly close-up shot. So as I said, yeah, I put these like banana chips on top, so they've gone sort of toasty and crispy. A few little pieces of like brown sugar as well, so those have gone a bit crispy. It's nice and moist, perfectly baked. Yeah, so yeah, nice. Yeah, perfectly baked by me, to be honest. So yeah, so just still writing it. So guys, it's been several days since I filmed a portion of this vlog. So this vlog is mainly sort of tidying of the room aspect, which hopefully I'll show you a bit more of that tomorrow when I've got a break from work tomorrow. I'll probably do it on my lunch break actually. I'll try and get quite a large chunk of that done tomorrow. I'll show you a quick update. I feel a bit weird at the moment, to be honest. I feel like my balance is a bit strange, but probably nothing to worry about. Most of this is probably as you remember, but this is coming along a little bit. You probably won't see too many changes. Oh yeah, I've got the doorstop there. Yeah, you probably won't see too many changes. So I've changed this area a bit. What I need to do, I was hoping to be able to put one like a Lego set box there to basically give the back a bit more strength, because I'd like to have this slightly off the edge of the table, because basically I wanted to make room. The main change is I wanted to make room for this, the town hall, because it just felt out of place being there. So as you can see, I've put the shield helicarrier there instead, But it does mean I've got this like stacked Oscorp and Avengers Tower, so that needs looking at a little bit. Yeah, I think primarily my task for tomorrow lunch break will be to sort out this area. So as you can see, I've got 8 different little boxes where I can put display items, which will be, hopefully, should be like all of this. I think it should all fit. And then I can move on to the next thing, which will be, I need to sort of slightly sort out this corner. I have slightly done it, like I've stacked it all at the back, but ideally I'd like this area here to have some sort of room for like storage like that or something, but we'll see. And then I'll still have all of this area here to fill in as well. But you know, got other considerations, like other stuff that I want to bring down into this room, stuff that I want to take out. So I do still probably plan to move the minifigures. Cool. Anyway, I'm going to do the washing up quickly. So I've just gone to edit the vlog and I'm not 100% sure if like I ended it. I don't even know if I'm filming the right things. This was definitely a random collection of video clips. So, but yeah, hopefully you still enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Cheers.